Now, there's one mechanical issue that I'm working on in my swing to try and improve because I know it's going to make me a little bit more efficient. It has to do with my shaft angle at the top of my backswing. So my tendency is to get my shaft angle so that it's a little bit too vertical at the top, and I really want to keep it on plane. So I noticed as I was doing my yardages and I was hitting my 7-iron and my 8-iron that every once in a while for some swings my club would get a little bit vertical. My arm's still in a good position, but my club is up and vertical instead of being on plane. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on a 5-ball set. I'm going to work on a 3-drill rotation, 5-ball sets, working on getting my shaft to be on plane and learning to be able to tell the difference in my full swing between being on plane and being upright with the shaft. Now what I'm going to do first is I'm going to establish a baseline. In other words, this is the motion that I'd like to create. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go slowly and with precision make my club go into the correct position. I'm even turning to watch as I'm doing it because I like to see my wrist nice and flat here at the top, and I want to see this shaft at exactly the right angle as I'm coming back. So I'm going to do that slowly with precision, one time watching as I come back and get exactly in the position that I want to be in. So I watch the first one. The second one I'm going to do is, without watching the shaft so much, watching the club, I'm going to watch the ball, but I'm going to see if I can go into exactly the same position and see if it all feels the same way at the top. And I've done that twice, and then on the third one I'm going to hit a shot. Now, you may or may not have this issue. That's not the point. The point is the practice routine. The only way I'm going to be able to change something in my swing is to be able to tell when I have it on plane and when I have it too upright. So the goal is one specific part of my swing, one specific thing. I'm looking for feedback to see if I can begin to tell the difference. If I can tell the difference, I know I can make the adjustments through my Goldilocks process to get exactly where I need to be in my swing.